Hi guys, welcome to the Bhagavad Gita series with my Didi Bhavna and me Amish. And Didi, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे about greed and anger. लोभ और गुस्सा ये कहाँ से आता है? So, the Bhagavad Gita, the answer to many questions. Chapter 2, verse 58. यदा संहते चायं कुर्मो ज्ञानीव सर्वशः इंद्रियानीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता.
One who is able to withdraw the senses from the objects, just as a tortoise withdraws its limbs into its shell, is established in divine wisdom. Withdrawing from sense objects, which is desire, and it gives rise to greed and anger. But you know, Amish,
हाँ,
in the Ramcharitmanas,
गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी से.
there is something on greed.
Right.
And I'm going to read it out.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to sing it the way Baba used to sing it. Yeah? The way.
Our grandfather, we used to call him Baba, and he was a Pandit in Varanasi. Didi,
पंडित बाबूलाल त्रिपाठी
Pandit Babulal Tripathi.
और वो रामचरितमानस की चौपाई ऐसे गाते थे. काटत बड़हि शीस समुदायी जिमि प्रतिलाभ लोभ अधिकाई. Each head of Ravan, when cut, increases indeed. Just like if you satisfy desire, it leads to greed. Greed.
Satisfying desire leads to more desire. तो इसमें दीदी, a thing that rises from both chapter 2 verse 58 of Bhagavad Gita and this chopoi from Goswami Tulsidas ji's Ramcharitmanas कि desire, इच्छा, इंद्र, is it a good thing or a bad thing? Because भगवान श्री कृष्ण भी कह रहे हैं और गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी भी कह रहे हैं कि desire leads to greed and anger. बट डिज़ायर ना हो तो शुरुआत ही कुछ नहीं होगी.
तो हर चीज में बैलेंस चाहिए. ग्रीड एंड एंगर रिजल्ट फ्रॉम एक्सेसिव डिजायर ना, वेस्टफुल डिजायर. ग्रीड है क्या? यू वांट मोर, यू वांट मोर, यू वांट मोर. यू नो, all our cupboards, even mine, are filled with stuff that I dearly wanted once upon a time. But the minute you have something you wanted, you lose the desire for it. You know, दिवाली cleaning जब होती है और जब अलमारी साफ करते हैं, you find shoes and bags and clothes that you bought, that you wanted so badly, and then you buy it, and then you have it, and you haven't even used it once. So the excessive, ये want और have में जो balance होना चाहिए. You know, your wanting is a yearning, having is inertia. तो दोनों में भी अगर बैलेंस बिगड़ जाए, टू मच यू नो अवेयरनेस ऑफ व्हाट आई हैव कैन मूव अस टुवर्ड्स इनर्शिया. एम्बिशन ही नहीं है, ड्राइव ही नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
आई हैव व्हाट आई हैव, एंड देन वांट के चक्कर में फंसे रहो तो इट इज यर्निंग. आई वांट, आई वांट, आई वांट, एंड इट इज रेस्टलेसनेस. इट इज एक तरह की बेचैनी. तो वांट और हैव में बैलेंस हो तो डिजायर ऑल्सो स्थापित हो जाता है ना.
सिंपली ये भी है क्योंकि इन वन ऑफ आवर क्रिएशन हिम्स इन द ऋग्वेदा इट सेज क्रिएशन बिगिंस विद डिज़ायर. तो अगर डिज़ायर ही नहीं होगा नथिंग स्टार्ट्स. करेक्ट. बट एक्सेस डिज़ायर कैन लीड टू ग्रीड. तो ये नहीं जो आजकल जो कहा जाता है कि कुछ भी डिज़ायर मत करो. यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू दैट अदर एक्सट्रीम. Because that will lead to laziness, it will lead to no ambition. बस बैठे रहें just floating through life.
Inertia.
That's not good. But excess desire, पूरे दिन बस मॉल में ही बैठे रहें, just desperately buying things which you don't even need.
Confessions of a shopaholic.
Not me. I hate shopping.
Actually, so do I.
शिवानी बोलती है I'm the worst person to shop with.
I'm a focused shopper. मुझे क्या चाहिए मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी, खरीदूँगी, वापस घर.
मैं दुकान में घुसता हूँ, as you know, Within the first 5-10 minutes I start feeling sleepy. तो जो भी है जल्दी पहले 5-10 मिनट में खत्म खरीद लो, खत्म करो. Or I need to carry a book inside. पढ़ते रहो.
वैसे that's a beautiful pair of glasses that you're holding.
Yes,
Good shopping.
Not by me. Shivani bought it.
But you know,
She has good taste.
that she
Me
does.
also.
That she does. You know, Amish, greed तो ठीक है, लेकिन desire का जो दूसरा जो effect होता है, that this verse is talking about, anger. Now that also, that can be very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous.
Let's read another shloka from again chapter 2 verse 62. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः संगस्तेषु पजायते संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधो भिजायते.
While contemplating on the objects of the senses, one develops an attachment to them. Attachment leads to desire, and from desire rises anger.
One of the things that people don't understand, they think that desire only leads to greed. कि अगर आप इच्छा के गुलाम बन गए हैं, दास बन गए हैं, तो सिर्फ लोभ आएगा. सिर्फ लोभ नहीं, गुस्सा भी आ जाता है कई बार. It can lead to anger as well. And there was this very sad story that we read together in Swami Mukundanand ji's book.
Actually, Swami Mukundanand ji ki kitab mein, read this incident about, real incident apparently,
it's a
somewhere
true
in
story.
America, and it shakes me every time I think of it. It's, a man, an American man who's in his garage, गाड़ी का टायर बदल रहे हैं वो at one end, and he finishes changing his desire.
Changing his tire.
Changing his tire.
Which was the object of his desire.
So he finishes changing his desirous tire, and he gets up holding a spanner. Comes to the other side, and he finds his 5-year-old, Amish 5-year-old child, scratching graffiti at the other end of his car.
And it's his favorite car.
It's his
There's
favorite
so many of us men for whom the car is more important than our lives even, often.
He loses it. And he
नहीं,
loses
वो
it
शायद थोड़ा
completely.
ज़्यादा हो गया. Maybe not more important than our lives, but very, very important to us. But sorry.
He gets angry. And he's holding a spanner in his hands, right? He completely
बच्चा graffiti
loses
कर रहा
it.
था उसके गाड़ी पे.
And he starts hitting his child's hand with the spanner. Tar, 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 tar. And by the time he comes to his senses, बच्चे का हाथ is, blood से भरा है, comes to his senses, rushes his child to the hospital, and the child has, actually the phalanges, the fingers, the bones are broken. The father probably will never forgive himself for the rest of his life. After the child is attended to and they come back home, he gets out from his car and holding his child, as he's going in, he looks at that graffiti. और बच्चे ने लिखा था, I love you, Papa. ये है गुस्सा.
And for that stupid car, he did.
Yeah.
But that is a lesson to be drawn. That desire is not bad. We don't need to swing to the other extreme. सब मोह माया है, सब छोड़ छाड़ के बैठ जाओ. That is not good. But excess desire, which leads to greed, which leads to this horrible anger. You injure your child like this, perhaps permanently, for that silly car.
Yeah.
And excess desire leads to problems.
Amish, but two more things I want to talk to you about concerning anger. एक तो, I think there's something called hidden anger. Where, a person can be completely poker-faced and still, and दुनिया को लगता है शांति, एकदम शांति है इस इंसान के अंदर. And there's a great deal of hidden suppressed rage inside. So inside your cortisol is running haywire, you've got health problems, you've got blood pressure, you've got, high blood pressure. क्या क्या हो जाता है, all kinds of things, because your insides, acidity, headaches, लेकिन बाहर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. I think this kind of suppressed rage is even more dangerous. Channelize होना चाहिए. The way Shivani said the other day, कि हर एक के पास कोई ना कोई ऐसा रिश्ता होना चाहिए, सेफ स्पेस, जहां तुम सब निकाल दो, यू नो,
Complain
ऑल
जो
दैट
करना है कर
मक,
दो, हाँ।
वो निकाल दो, यू नो, अंदर मत रखो, अदरवाइज यू आर स्टेयरिंग एट इलनेस.
That's true. लेकिन हम मर्दों का क्या होता है, men are reaction normally to things which trouble us, which cause us anger, is that we keep pushing things away. You know, sweep it under the carpet, push it into some deep dark dungeon of our heart, और वहाँ पे वो fester करेगा. You know, it will get worse and worse and worse. लेकिन उसके बारे में कभी सोचेंगे नहीं, उसे ताला लगा के, that's what men do. हम लोग कभी बात नहीं करते हैं.
इसीलिए आदमियों को ज्यादा हार्ट अटैक्स होते हैं. अगर किसी से बात नहीं कर सकते हो, गो टू अ काउंसलर and get the muck out.
It's better to speak to your wife only or your spouse or someone else, but I agree. मैं मजाक कर रहा था. I'm not saying men should not talk. Men don't cry, but we should talk. But yes, it's a good thing. You should not let
You know,
anger remain inside.
रेमंड,
But
वो रेमंड का एक एड है,
क्या?
द कंप्लीट मैन ऑल्सो क्राइज इन अ सेफ स्पेस. सबके सामने नहीं,
हाँ,
कोई ना कोई होना चाहिए.
कभी कभार. When the tears have to be worth it. आप हर दूसरे दिन रो रहे हो तो क्या है भाई, ये भी कोई.
बैलेंस.
हाँ, correct. But coming back to the lesson on this episode, don't swing on one extreme where all desire is seen as bad. That is silly. Don't swing on the other extreme where all you're doing is chasing your desires, because then आप या तो greedy हो जाओगे, you destroy your life, या ज़बरदस्ती का गुस्सा, you do a terrible thing like what that father did, and he'll never
When
be able
desire
to
is satisfied, you become greedy.
Correct.
And when your desires are not met, you become
get
angry.
Let the desire drive you. Don't get obsessed by it. I think that's what perhaps Lord Krishna is trying to teach us, and Goswami Tulsidas ji as well in the Ramcharitmanas. And that brings us to the end of this episode of the Bhagavad Gita series. We hope you enjoyed it, Bhavna Didi and I. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit like and subscribe on this so that you can get notifications when the next episode is launched. Thank you so much from Bhavna Didi and me. Namaste. Lead a wise life. Follow Lord Krishna.